Hey, how's it going? I'm still working and I thought I needed to share this. Okay. This is how you locate your work piece on your CNC table so you can take it off and flip it over and put it on the other side once you get done. So we're going to go through the whole process right quick. It don't take but a couple of minutes if everything goes well. So I'm going to try to get the camera in a little closer so you can see what I'm going to do here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the regular stuff, and some of it's going to be a little hard to see because I got my new covers around the outside. But I opened up my little door here already, went in and changed the bit out and put a 1/4 inch on. I had a 3/4 inch bit on to do flat fly cut to cut the top. So now we're ready to cut this side. We got it all bolted down, screwed into the table. Something I found works really good to screw stuff to the table. If you're going to screw it down on the table, get you a little washer. And when you run that screw down, put that little washer in the bottom, let it go to the bottom of the hole and get to back that screw out. It won't grab the wood. It'll come back out. And then you can move it, flip it, whatever you want to do. It kind of makes it easier and just throw away a little aluminum washer. So anyway, so what we're going to do is I'm gonna be off of here so I can't see you. So I'm hoping I'm going to put it in the right place while I'm doing this because I got to look at the screen. But I'm going to put it here and I'm going to tell it what it's doing, and you're going to be able to listen to me tell you what it's going to be doing. And while I'm telling you that, I'm going to be making it the process here. So you should be able to watch what's going on, and I'm going to be able to make it happen from here. So I'm going into my repeat ear host. And what I always do before I do any process is I square my X-axis, and then I square my Y-axis. Now I've got dual squaring axis on this, so it squares itself up and gets exact and knows where 0, 0 is. Now, that's 0, 0 on the machine. I need 0, 0 on this corner of this workpiece. So I've got that set up right here to go this way. I've got it running a little slow right now. Uh-oh, it's going to run into it too, looks like, unless it gets up quick. Get up, get up, get up. Yep, it hit a little bit. We got to raise up just a touch. We're still in the right place. We went where we're supposed to. Okay, we're going to put the block in. We're going to clip it on, and we're going to tell it to auto Z. So it's going to come down here and touch off on this. It's going to set to Z automatically. Now, I'm going to tell the machine that is where the 0 is, and figure in 8 millimeters for that plate I had figured in there. So y'all got that figured out so far where I'm at? Everybody following along everything so far? Okay. Now, we're set up here. We've told the machine that's our 0 point on our work. So that's where we're going to work from. Now, I'm going to go in and I'm going to open the file up that tells this machine to go drill holes to put a pin in this thing to pin it to the table. So I use little 1/4 inch wooden dowels. So I'm going to run 6 holes. And when you get ready to put it over, you just flip it over and put the pins back in. And it's got to be lined up straight, guys. So let's let this thing do its thing here. Let's send Mr. Machine on this ride. Let me put on my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. I've got to load. I'm going to load my locator pin file. Open it. I'm going to tell it to print, but I got to reach over here and get the router. So I'm going to reach and get the router first. Okay, the router's running, and I'm going to tell it to go, guys. Y'all ready? Let's go make some toes. What we have now is called a malfunction. Yep. Let me do a reset. There we go. Well, that locator pin's not going to do much good, is it? Using a smaller block than I normally use, and that locator pin's not in the block. It'll get better. I promise it will. Carry on. Okay. Those pins aren't making holes, so they're not going to be much good to me. But these two that go right here, if it makes both of those and one of these on this side, I'm going to be just fine. So let's see how this all comes out. I should probably turn this machine up a little bit. It can move a little faster. There's one. It's drilling both of those holes right on the seam between a walnut and a maple. And they're both exactly in the center of the seam, so I got it centered up pretty darn good. These other two holes on this side may drill off the side of the board. I don't know. We'll see where it comes out. Yep. They're going to run right off the side, but we got two to flip it with. We will do just fine. Hey, that's how you set up a drill to drill out the holes to be able to flip it. Just index file. You send me a message if you need the file to see how to do it. All you do basically is just put pins into the block. Tell it where to go. I just didn't move the pins. I'm using ones that were already there. Shortcut. Shouldn't have done it. Anyway, y'all be good. I'm going to get on out of here. We'll see y'all next time. Hey, welcome to the Frugal Fixer Shop. Subscribe. Hit that little button so you'll know when I'm going to do one of these. There's always something crazy and live going on in the Frugal Fixer Shop. Later.